Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can order Domino's pizza with Python using a API called PizzaPie. So the first thing we have to do is we have to go to Replit and we're going to create a new Python script. And I'm just going to call it Domino's Pizza and just create the REPL. Once it's done creating, we're going to go to the packages section and search up Pizza Pie. And it's going to be the only one, and you're just going to add it. Once it's done downloading, we're just going to import it by saying from Pizza Pie, and then we're going to do import and then an asterisk. And when you put an asterisk, that means you're importing like all the elements from this package, and that's what we want to do. So the first thing we're going to do is we need to define a customer that's going to be ordering the pizza, and we need their address. So to do that, we're going to create two variables. One's going to be a customer variable, and we're going to set that equal to customer. And then this object, it takes in a first name, it takes in a last name, an email, and a phone number. That's all you need for the customer object, and for the address, we're going to store in a variable called address, and we're going to set that equal to an address object, and then it's going to take in a street name, then it's going to take in a city, then it's going to take in a state, and lastly it's going to take in your zip code. The next thing we have to define is a store that we're going to be ordering from, and we're going to need a credit card so we can pay for our order. So to do that, to get our store, we're going to create a new variable called store, and then we're going to put our address, and then what PizzaPie is going to do is it's going to take our address and it's going to find the closest store, and two parentheses. And for our credit card, I'm just going to call it card, and it's a payment object, and then it's going to need your card number, it's going to need your expiration, and it's going to need your CVV, and it's going to need your zip code. To find our customer, our address, our nearest store, and our credit card, we can look through our store's menu and see what we want to order. So to do that, we need to pull up the menu, and we're going to store it in a variable called menu, and we're going to type store.get_menu, two parentheses, and then to search through our menu, we just type menu.search, and then name is equal to, and then whatever you want to search. So I want a Coke, and I also want a pizza. And we're going to put this in a print statement so then we can see it in the console. And we're going to hit run. And this is everything that we've searched up. Up here is all the Coke items we can get. And this is a list of all the pizzas. And now, if we want to create an order, we're going to create a new variable called order that equals an order object from PizzaPie, and it takes in a store, a customer, and an address. To add items to your order, it's just order.add underscore item, and then PizzaPie, it doesn't understand if you want, say, a 20-ounce bottle Coke. Instead, it takes in these little codes here, and let's say we want a 2-liter Coke. We just copy this code right here, and then two quotes, and then we just paste it in there. and we want to add another item, and we just want a pizza, and we can get a small hand tossed Wisconsin pizza. So we're just going to copy this and we're going to paste it. And you can also remove items by doing order.remove item. And let's say if we want to get rid of the Coke, we just put the code in there, but we're not going to do that. The last thing we want to do is place our order with Domino's, and to do that, you just type order.place and then you type card. But if you don't want to place it and you're just doing this for testing purposes, instead of order.place, you just type order.pay underscore with and card. And then if we run that, it'll show us our order details and everything. A few more things I want to show you guys before I end this video are, if you want to see your order details, you can print and then order.data, and if you run that, it'll give you your order in details at the bottom. And if you want to get info on your local Domino's, you can just print and store.get underscore details and then 2 parentheses. And if you run that, and if you scroll up, it'll show all the info about your local Domino's with its address and other things. If you enjoyed this video and learned something from it, please make sure to like this video and subscribe with notifications turned on so you don't miss an upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video.